Okay, so round two of our notes. Okay, looking at now, we have to find KB. So in order to find KB, and this is example number 3, okay, go ahead and take your total on your left-hand side. So now that's 5, so 1 out of 5. Okay, so small over the whole. That's what we keep doing. Okay, and this side, we don't know what this is, so I'm going to make it x. So the whole side becomes 1. It becomes 1 plus x. So now we have 1 over the total, which is 1 plus x. We have a fraction equal to a fraction, so cross multiply. 1 times 1 plus x equals 5 times 1, which is 5. So 1 plus x equals 5. So x equals 4 if you slide that over. Okay, so really, remember, that's your KB. So KB equals 4. You notice they haven't been putting segments over it because they're actually giving measurements for that one. So that's fine, okay? Whether you put a segment or not, that is okay. All right, so now next one, this whole side, we're gonna do the same thing, is 18. So take your smaller side over the entire side. So 8 over 18 equals, and even if you did the opposite, that's fine, okay? But the reason I did the smaller side is because we're trying to find the smaller side, SL or LS. So that's your x. So this becomes x plus 15. So now the smaller side is x, because we put that on top, all over x plus 15. So it's okay to have variable in the numerator and the denominator. Okay, anytime that you have to pause this to kind of regain what we were just doing, that is fine. So now we have 18x equals 8, and then parentheses x plus 15. Okay, so we get our 18x equals our 8x plus 120. Subtract things to the other side, so subtract your 8x. So we get 10x equals 120, so x equals 12. So for us, LS equals 12. So it's all about proportions. We're all doing proportions. All right, next side. So it says two transversals proportionality theorem. Okay, this is going to get a little bit more basic, more definitions. So what this says is if AB is parallel to CD, which is parallel to EF. Okay, so I'm going to write that out. If AB, our parallel sign, okay, I'm going to put that segment or line AB, sorry, not segment. Okay, so we have AB is parallel to CD, which is parallel, and it can be a segment, but in this case we've got lines. Okay, so make sure that we put our arrows then on the ends of them. Okay, if this is true, okay, then AC all over CE. Okay, so AC is the little part, okay, all over the second part, is equal to BD all over DF. Notice I didn't put the segments because I'm talking about their actual numerical answers. So BD and DF. Okay, what you could also say, so another option, this is just another option, okay, and something that's true is that AC all over BD equals CE over DF. So if you want to go across, you can do that as well. We just have to make sure that they're proportional. So that's what your definition is. That was us going back to our definition. All right, so in this video clip, let's try to do one example together with this. So now we have A and we have 20. So A over 20 equals 9 and 15. 9 over 15. Okay, so this is my A, this is my 9. Cross multiply, say 15A equals, well, 9 times 20, 9 times 2 gets you 18, and then we have that 0. So divide by 15, and we get A to equal 12. And A is that spot right there, so we get 12. Okay, that's going to take us to the end of this clip. I will go over the last examples in part 3.